Alright guys, I am so excited. I just got the Fidget Cube in, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. So, this probably, oh gosh, here we go. Here we go. So right here, I just took it out of the package, all that good stuff. So, here it is. If it will focus. There we go, Fidget Cube. You can see it's got the camo on it because I ordered the camo. Take a closer look right here. You can see it's got the Fidget Cube and the little logo right there. Then on the side right here, it's got the Fidget Cube, and then it's got the little cube looking things twisted around to the side. You can see it says click, spin, flip, slide, roll, breathe. And then right here, work, class, home. And it's got the little Fidget Cube thingy. And then that's it. So let's get right into it. And right off the bat, I can see that this top just slides right off. I'm going to take this off, and there it is. I haven't even looked in here. I mean, I looked in here to make sure it was there. I haven't touched it yet. The first touch. Oh. Okay, slowly pull it out here. Oh, it's just like so. Gonna have to grease that ball. It's a little stiff. These roll pretty good. They don't click naturally. It's freaking off. You can do the breathy thingy. Oh yes, it's not an off-brand one. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys listen to this. So I'm gonna show you guys this. Hopefully you can hear it. Okay. That one doesn't click. The middle does. This side does. And this side does. And that one. So that's how you know it is not off-brand. Here's a little thummy pad. Stick your thumb on there and rub it and all that good stuff. Oh, the spinner is so nice. So much better than the other ones I've seen. Yes. And then, oh, it's like a joystick. Other ones you can push them down. This one won't go down. It's like a joystick. And then, of course, everybody's favorite, switch. Probably my favorite part would be the joystick or the roller. I don't know, because the buttons really aren't my thing, and these, like, it's okay, but definitely the joystick or the roller. So yeah, I'm gonna give you a view of all six. No, wait, it's got six, right? Okay, so spinner, joystick, ball bearing, gears, I guess you could call them, and then the thumb pad. So, and then here is the switch, and the buttons, and that's it. So this is my first ever Fidget Cube. I kind of like it already. I'm going to look back at the packaging here. It was like a hard foam, yeah. It's hard to squeeze it. But yeah, I'll probably keep this box just in case I need to mail it back to him. That's so cool though. It's good. I mean, who does it love a Fidget Cube box? And even like they include the color on there too. Oh, by the way, I got this so I could take it hunting because I get like super bored. And everything but the buttons are camo and black, and that's silver or chrome. You can see. So yeah, basically that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. It was super short, and I really like making this video for you guys because this is kind of a new thing to me. I literally just ripped open the package and I was like anticipating to open this, but I had to grab the camera and get to working. So that's basically it for this video. Hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys later.